All right. This is cabin 6157 on the Carnival Miracle. Comes complete with a wife. So, as soon as we get in, we have the where to go if the poo hits the fan map, which is all your muster stations. You have your light switches. There is no little card thingy here like on some of the boats. There's a snoozing sign, normally where the room steward would put their business card. And then right off to the right, we have the little, I guess, hangout area? I don't know. Vanity area? But it's got drawers, and you have a European and an American outlet, a little bench, and a whole bunch of drawers. First one is your hair dryer, and then another little guy, and then two deeper ones. So a decent amount of storage in here. Staying in the same room, we have our closets, which contains your life jackets. And of course, this is the suite, so you get your robes. Didn't see any Uzi, what's it? Slippers. But we got another closet here. All these shelves do flip up, and then you can make it a very big hanging shelf. There's a little closey door here, so that's where you came in. So if you make it private, then this is the bathroom. Quite nice. Again, it's a suite, so it does have the elements. It has a separate bath and shower gel and a conditioning shampoo. You got your little clothesline up there. It is a soaking tub, not a spa, which is still nice to chill. We got plenty of towels, and of course your shavers only plug, and a good amount of storage on top. It's a nice double sink. Old school chrome and polished brass. You got storage below if you need it. And then you got your backup stuff, toilet paper and tissues and stuff like that, and your garbage can. So now, I'm gonna head back out and see me, hi! And then you got your little desk area where your phone is, you got all your light switches. Looks like possibly a European outlet. And, or as we call it, the bar. And you get your little glasses and more mirrors, lots of mirrors in here. You'll see more here in a minute. And then we have your mini fridge. So if you prop that door open, it'll keep it a little bit cooler. You got a little bit of extra storage here. You can see they put a little vent in there to try to get that thing to cool. Normally there's a chair here, but I don't see it on this particular ship. And then we have our free laundry, because it is a suite. And the lamp does have USBs on pretty much all the lamps in this particular room. And it got a nice little wooden floor for the entry. Love that. Then we have more storage here. And another little bar area, more mirrors. And then we got a small TV. It's a TV. We're on a cruise. I mean, what do you need? A massive one? But cool thing, hidden back here, there is an additional plug on the wall. So if you bring an extension cord, no surge protectors, you can have a little extra storage there. And then we have the safe, which is one of the newer ones. It's a keypad, not an old card slide. You got 4 drawers here, and they're pretty big, pretty deep as well. Not soft close. And then we have another closet here. So more hanging space, plenty of storage, and tons of hangers. And it looks like somebody left some of their hangers too, so even more. And you got a full-length mirror on the inside of this door as well. And then, as I said, more mirrors. There's a lot of mirrors in this room. It's actually kind of cool. It makes it look bigger. I kind of like that myself. So another bedside lamp with more storage underneath. We have the king size configuration in between the 2 pillows there. You'll see the master power switches for the whole room. And then another lamp with USBs and storage. And then we got a cute little sitting chair. Another lamp with a USB back there and more storage. This little guy here does fold out to be a bed as well, which is pretty cool. And then we have the balcony. So this one has a pretty good sized balcony. Got a little bit loud because we're outside, and there's door slam, so be careful. Everybody getting on. So it's got 2 chairs and a table, and then we'll spin around, and we slid the lounge that way, so it opened up this whole area. So really good sized balcony. Looking down, you will absolutely see the lifeboat, so not a clear shot to the water. So that has been the room tour of 6157 on the Carnival Miracle.